After understanding the nature of the EM radiations and doing the photoelectric effect, let us now move to the numericals based on the EM radiations. One such numerical is find the number of photons associated with EM radiations of wavelength 400 nanometer having energy of 100 joules. So we have to find out the number of photons associated with this. Now, we are given wavelength 400 nanometer, which is 400 into 10 to the power minus 9 meters. This will come out to be 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters. So this is what we have already converted. Energy is given as 100 joules. So let me rub out this one for you. Now, energy given is 100 joules and we are supposed to find out the number of photons. The formula is E is equal to NhC over lambda, where your C is speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. So now let us put the values. The energy is 100. Number of photons we are supposed to find out. H is your Planck's constant, we already know. Its value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. So we'll put this values here. 6.6 26 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 7. So this is how you have placed the values in the formula. We are now supposed to find out N. Let us do that here. This N will be 100 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 8. So this comes out to be 34.6. We can do this. This will be 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power plus 34 into 10 to the power minus 8 upon 3 into 6.626. Now this value on solving comes out to be plus 29 and minus 8 is plus 21. So this is approximately plus 21. This is 4 into 3 into 6.626. This is almost as 1.33 upon 6.626 into 10 to the power 21. This comes out to be, if you see, this is approximately 0.2 into 10 to the power 21, which is 2 into 10 to the power 20. So these many photons are the ones which were associated with the EM radiation of 400 nanometers, which we have taken, having an energy of 100 joules.